Well, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to ClouDolus YouTube channel, everyone. So today we are going to install, download, and configure dbeaver third-party tools, which is used for connection database. So for that, we are going to browser and search dbeaver. Just enter and find this first link, dbeaver community free universal database tools, which is also official link. So just to click open and go the official site. So after that find the interface which is universal database tools download options. So where is we find the dbeaver community for open source versions and also dbeaver pro, which is commercial version. So we are going with the basically open source version. So this is a download link, and so for that just click download link and find this download option. So here is also find dbeaver community 24.2.3 open source and dbeaver pro 24.2, which is enterprise versions. So today we are going with Windows versions, but there is also macOS, Linux, and others installers and a zip file for the install different machines and OS. So we are just to go with download Windows installer. Just click on that and they prompt up download option. So we just find this. I start download versions, just download. So download is begin. In the meantime, if you like this video, please do likes and comment, and don't forget subscribe. So wait for the finish the download. Download is complete. So open this download file, just open. So exe file directly open. So please select the language if you want this others language. There have a lot of supported language. So my case is the English. So just click on that and just next and agreed. Just agree, and there have a choosing user. So for any who use this computer wall users, and for me this is Naim Hussain. So this current user. So select on that. Just next one, and after then just check mark all these options and then next. So after this destination folder, so this is a my C drive folder, so I'm stay with that. Just click next and then install. I'm 360 totally security antivirus user, so in that case just allow all. So if you case any kind of Windows Defender and others antivirus, so just allow this. So this is a final finish option. So just check create desktop shortcut and finish. After finish, we are find this software, just open. So in that situation, just do you want to create a simple database? Yes, I want to create, just yes, and this confirm. After confirming these options, this is a sample database. Just click on that. So loading and need to download driver. So in that your case also need this driver setting update and download systems based on that database. So in that case just download. After download completing, showing this database all options. So in that case, when you are connected this MySQL servers and others database, do connect this and then need to driver updates. After completing download driver, this is a final option like database tables and views index. This is a sample database. So when you try to connect your others database, then you go just there here new database connections and others option database. There have the new database connections. So also driver manager. So basically need to connect database. Just click on that. Find this selected database, and also there are options. Where is new database connection? Just click on that. Then also find this same interface. Also there is a driver manager. There have your database drivers, which is also pre-installed. When you connect your database, then you will be find this database update drivers. So in that case you just download and update the driver. If you connect this new database, so I am select MySQL and just click next and then find this option. So where also just paste the after this find prompt, and then just paste your database endpoint where server hosting and database also port 3306. This is a default database MySQL database port, and then user, my case is admin, and then paste the password. And before go finish, I'm just trying to test connections. Just click test. So after find this download option, so based on that MySQL server, then you just go download and then download complete. So after completing the download, just try to test connect. So just test connection building. So hold on, after building a test connection, just prompt up OK. Just find this OK, test connection successfully built, then just click on OK and then go for the finish. So once you're done finish, then click on your database. So after clicking this database, just loading and load your database whole information. So this is a final database tables and others information. So successfully we are done build our database using this dbeaver software. So that's for today. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget subscribe. So see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.